Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Pianshu Placement Solution. And friends, in today's video we will discuss about Morgan Stanley hiring, guys. And this hiring is only for guys 2023. Okay, so let's start without wasting time, guys. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, guys, please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click bell icon button, guys. Okay, so let's start, guys, without wasting time. So basically, guys, this is the official website as you can see here. Okay, and this hiring is only for 2023, guys. It's not for 2024. Clear? It's only for 2023, because when you will fill the form now, at that time they will ask you one checkbox like if you are graduating in 2023 between these months, so they are mentioning some months. Okay, so that's why, guys, this hiring is only for 2023. Okay, the next thing is, guys, if you want you can read all the things. I will just discuss main points. Okay, only bachelor or master degree is required, right? And the next thing is additional cities Bangalore or Mumbai, right? They've written Bangalore or Mumbai, so basically they want only Mumbai location, but additional city have mentioned Bangalore. Okay, the next thing is, guys, full-time analyst is there. Okay, and training program is there of 15 week, guys. Global program is there. Okay, and after that I hope they will provide you the 100% job, right? Basically after training. Okay, training के बाद तो वो नहीं है, right? The next thing is, guys, some responsibilities are there like development team, infrastructure team. Okay, or if you're talking about qualification, so basically qualification is वही अपना basically graduate, undergraduate or PhD, but only 2023. The next thing is, guys, that is very important. You have a knowledge about Java, C++ or C Sharp with database, and or next thing is you have some knowledge about data structure and algorithm and some time complexity theory. Clear? And fluent in English. Clear? So these are the basic requirements these companies are asking. Okay, that is Morgan Stanley. Okay, some of you are asking this Morgan Stanley. It's your wish, yeah, right? No problem. So it's all about today's video. You need to simply click on apply button and you need to register and just apply. Okay, if you are unable to find the apply link after registration, then you can again visit the same link, guys. I will provide the link in the description. Okay, so go and check out this hiring. It's a great opportunity for 2023 batch. One more thing, guys, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, yeah, please subscribe and try to share this video with your 2023 pass out friends, guys. Okay, so take care, bye bye. We will meet on next video with some more hirings, guys. Okay, so bye bye.